Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you iPhone 16 Pro Max screen unresponsive problem. So let's fix it. First of all, you have to go to settings on your iPhone and check for and if any update is available or not. To do it, you have to go to general, then you have to tap on the software update. Here you can see that my iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. If you have not updated it yet, just update it to the new version and make sure you're not on any beta version. So now let's move forward to the next option, which is basically you have to scroll down to the bottom and tap on to transfer or reset iPhone. Then you have to tap on to reset and tap on to reset all settings. This refreshes your system network on your iPhone, and that's it. Then you have to tap on shutdown if you are still not getting the result, and if your screen is not working, then you have to do it by the side buttons and volume up and down button. Let me show you how to do it. You just have to press the volume up button and the side button together until the screen is black. Just have to select your power off and restart your iPhone. This will solve your problem. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.